Yeah, Mum, I'm gonna make it over this weekend. And you're all gonna barbecue steak and seafood, right? Ah, yeah. Perfect. And maybe my favourite dessert. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a great weekend. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, I've gotta go, Mum. Yeah, I'll see you this weekend, okay? Uh-huh. I love you. Harley! What the bloody hell? Someone smashed into me. Oh, my head. My arm. Okay, Ben. Get it together, mate. Get out of the car. Holy hell. Yeah, the car is upside down. Oi there. Driver. Hello? Oh, there you are. Are you alright? Yeah, I'm gonna call 000. Hang tight. Yeah, there's been a bad two-car collision on North Park Avenue. Yeah, we're maybe 2 lights away from Steeplechase Drive. Yeah, hurry. I'm hurt. So is the other driver. Second driver's pinned in the car. It smells like there might be a fuel leak. Yeah, right, don't move them. Okay. Yeah, but you need to hurry, mate. I'm really worried about if a fire breaks out here. Hey, no. Hey, don't panic. Hey, no. Okay, hey. There's not going to be a fire. You're going to be alright, okay? Look right here. Try to take some deep breaths with me. Focus on me. I'm not going to leave you, and you're going to be okay. Hey, don't say that. You're not going to die. There's not going to be a fire, you hear me? But just in case, I'm going to try to reach in there, cut your safety belt. Yeah, I'm carrying a knife. Always do. Let me see if I can just... Got it. Oh, well, his fumes are starting to give me a headache. Oh, I really think we need to get you out of here, mate. They told me not to move you, and I don't want to hurt you, but are you able to move on your own? Maybe try and wiggle out? Come on. Let's see if we can move. Get your legs out of that hole. Oh, Christ. No. God, no. No, come on, mate. I've got you. Come on. We gotta get you free. Oh, God, I can't see you. The smoke is so thick. Come on, mate. I've got you. I can't breathe. I can't see you. Can you feel my arms, mate? Latch onto them. Come on. Come on, mate. You're out. Come on. You're free. I'm gonna drag you. We've got to get away from this bloody car. Come on. Further, come on. We've got to move. God almighty. I've got you. Are you burned? Yeah, I am. My arms and my hands, my neck. My shirt's gone too. Let me look at you. Oh God, you're burned. Most of your clothes are cinched off, but I don't think you're too badly burned. Thank God. It'll be all right. There they are. There they are. It's gonna be okay.